Let's understand the limitations of permitted development. Understanding permitted development rights. Permitted development rights allow homeowners to make certain changes and extensions to their properties without the need for planning permission, as long as specific guidelines are followed. These rights provide a streamlined process for homeowners to modify their properties, saving time and costs associated with obtaining planning permission. Size and design limitations. One significant limitation of permitted development is the restriction on the size and design of extensions. Homeowners may find that the permitted development rights result in smaller or less suitable extensions than what they actually need. This can be particularly challenging for those looking to create larger living spaces or accommodate specific requirements. Potential issues during property sale. Another concern is the potential issues that may arise when selling a property with extensions built solely under permitted development. Changes in regulations or the requirement for a certificate of lawfulness can create uncertainties regarding the legality of the extensions. Prospective buyers may be hesitant to purchase a property with such uncertainties, leading to potential difficulties in the selling process. Considering the regular planning process. To mitigate these limitations and potential issues, homeowners are advised to consider going through the regular planning process. Obtaining planning permission and a certificate of lawfulness can provide assurance and peace of mind for both current and future homeowners. Going through the regular planning process ensures that extensions meet specific requirements and comply with regulations. To learn more about permitted development, connect with our experts today.